So, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what we are going to design. We are going to design this beautiful church flyer in Pixellab. Yes, this is part of our smartphone graphic design. And we are going to design this. I did everything using the smartphone as you are seeing on your screen. So please, without wasting much time, let's start afresh. Let me go to the default and then go and change the background. Yes, we need to change the background and work with a new background. Yes, I need to work with a new background. So I'll go here and type 4, and then I'll go here, go and type 6, 4 by 6. So, okay, and then click OK. Boom. So I'm having this nice background. So I need to clear this away. Then perfectly, I'll go to my background side and then go and import a background from my gallery. Yes, I need to import the background from my gallery. And guys, I've already worked on this background. Yes, I've already worked on the background in my gallery. So I'll import it nicely and then click it and then it enters into my data. So this is the background I'm going to work with. So I'll quickly go to the resources area and go and pick the logo. Let me start with the logo first. Let me start with the logo. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share, comment. Subscribe to the channel, like and share and comment. So I'll click this as my logo and then select it. Perfect. Reduce the size and then change the color to color white. Let me change the color to color white. Yeah, let me change the color to color white. And I think it's awesome. All right, so looking at it, color black worked perfectly. So let me center it, and then I'll lock it. Perfect. Then I'll go to my text side and go and write the present. Yes, I'll go and write present. Sorry, present. So let me go here and change it to present. Present. Then I'll click it and then change all to caps and then bring it down here. And then let me go and change the font. Yeah, let's change the font. So we go to my recent font use, and then I can change the font to any of the current font that I've used. So I think this is awesome. Then I'll bring it here. Let me center it. Yes, guys, always don't forget to center and lock. Yes, center it and then you lock it. Perfect, perfect. Then after that, I pick sorry. We pick a shape. Yeah, we pick a shape. Then we draw it nicely this way. And then we may change the color to color black. Yeah, we may change the color. No, not that. I think this have to go this way. And then we center it this way. And then we change the color to color black. Perfect. We change the color to color black. And then we center it. We center it. Yeah, let's center it. And lock. Perfect. Then again, you go and pick another shape again. Then position it here. Yeah, we just want something over there. Then we select the two. Yes, we go and select this and this. We merge and then let's go and clear, erase color. Then perfect. We want the black should go. So click it and then increase the tolerance and then perfect. Now you can change it to color white. You can change it to color white. So let me go to the colors and change it to color white. Perfect. Exactly. This is what you want. Then you lock it. Perfect. Then we are going to work with what? The images. We are going to work on the images. So I'll go to my resources file and then import the images. Where are they? So this is the first one. I click it and then position it this side and then let me lock it. Then go and pick the second image. And then where is it? This is the second image. So click it and then I can turn it this way and then perfect. So this is awesome. This is awesome. Let me bring it here a bit and then Let me unlock this and then bring it here a bit. Awesome. Then I can lock that one too. Perfect. Perfect. I think everything is okay now. Now go and pick a shape and then go to gradient and then set up this side to be your gradient. Yes. Set up this side to be your gradient and then scale it. Make sure it covers the down. Yes. Make sure it covers the down. So make sure it covers the down because you want to clear that side. Yes. You want to clear that side, or we just want to make that side blend with the background. Yes, we just want that side to blend with the background. Then I'll center it. Yes, I'll center it. Perfect. Then I'll duplicate it or copy it, and then I'll bring it down. Yes, I'll center it and bring it down. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'll copy it again and make sure do enough copy and bring them down. We just want to fill that side. So copy it and bring it down. You copy it and bring it down. Perfect. And make sure that the background is set, knitted. So you lock all of it. We lock all of it, and then we have something like this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Then you can bring the text, the main text. So go there, and then we said all belongs to Jesus. No, all belongs to the Creator. So all belongs to then all belongs to the Creator. So change all to caps. And we are using a font called what is the font? What was the font? What was the font? Let me remember. Game of Thrones. Yes, we are using a font called Game of Thrones. So Game of Thrones. Yes. So this is the font we are using. Sorry. This is the font we are using. Oh, it's not coming. Then let's go and search it. So where is the font? So come to the font and then you look for the font called Game of Thrones. Yes, that is the font we are using. Yes, we are using the Game of Thrones. So Game of Thrones font. It's not showing here, but I prefer you can change it and then use a different font. Yes, you can change it and use a different font. Yeah, you can change it and use a different font if we are unable to see that font quickly. Yes, but the font I use is called Game of Thrones, so you can take your time and then look for it. So let me copy it. Belongs to the creator. So I'll type the creator. Creator. Perfect, perfect. And change it to caps and then increase the size. Yes, increase the size. And then we use this one, we use a texture for it. We use a texture for it. So let me go through my area and then go and pick the texture. Yes, we use a texture for it. And where is it? This is it. Perfect. So we use a texture for it. And guys, I think even this one is perfect already. Or better still, perfect, 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 perfect. So let me push this up a bit and then push this up to a bit. And I think this, we must reduce the size a bit so that we position it perfectly. Let me go and center again. Yeah, let me go and center again. Then let me lock that one. And then I'll pick this and then I'll center and lock. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Then the remaining ones are the date, time, and the details. Yes, the date, time, and the details. So maybe what do you have to do? Let's see. Let's bring the whole project up and see. Yes, let's bring the whole design up and see. It's here. So yeah. So this is it. Yeah, if you are seeing, so all belongs to the creator. Okay, so you saw where we brought the belongs to the at that side. Yes, you saw it. You saw it. Belongs to. Then yeah, perfectly. These are after getting the background. The remaining ones are just arrangement and adding of text, arrangement and adding of text. So perfectly, I can go to the text side and go and add maybe a date and a time. So maybe a date can be, let's say 14 14th July or January 2025. So click on it, change it to caps, and then position it at where it's supposed to be. Yes, position it at where it's supposed to be. You can position them perfectly underneath like this, or you can just rearrange all in one like this and then have it in one way. You can be arranging the date and the time and details underneath like that, small. So please subscribe to this channel, like and share. Subscribe to the channel, like and share. This channel has come to stay. We are here to provide you only the best in graphic design. Then let me go and then copy this text. So I'll copy it and then write maybe time. So I'll go to the edit and write the time. So maybe the time is, let's say, 7 a.m. to maybe 8:30 a.m. Perfect. Then I change all to caps and then bring it down here. Yes. Then let me center it perfectly. And then you can add your location, contact details, and then the pastor's name. Yes, the pastor's name. I use width. The width. So the width, I think width I use taken by vouchers. Yes. So you go and look for taken by vouchers font and then use it perfectly. Perfectly. You can also use a different signature font like this, and then it will work. Now, one thing you need to know is that you need to use the padding. Some of the fonts, it's cut it, so you need to use the padding to make sure you have the full details of the font. Okay. Yes, you need to use the padding. Yes, perfectly. Then I'll go there again and then go and write the name. Maybe Pastor set Kweku Bani. Yes, then I'll click and then set all to caps and then change the font. Yes, always change the font to your preferred font. Change the font to your preferred font. And guys, it is advisable that whenever you are doing a design, you don't use more than 3 fonts. More than 3 fonts. No, we don't do that. At least use at least a maximum of 2 fonts or 3. It shouldn't be more. If it's more than 3 fonts, it doesn't communicate well. Okay, it doesn't communicate well. And then there will be a confliction of fonts. The fonts will be conflicting to each other. So make sure you use at least a maximum of 2 or 3 fonts to make sure that you are doing the right thing. Okay. Yeah, so please subscribe to the channel, like and share. Subscribe to the channel, like and share for more tips like this. Then I'll go and copy this name and then bring it here. And then I'll pick the second name again. And then bring it here. If I prefer, I will edit it. If I prefer, I will leave it this way. But if you are trying, make sure you edit it, okay? Make sure you edit it to represent the real name, okay? Yes, that is what you must do. Make sure you edit it so that you put at least a correct name over there. Yes, make sure you edit and put a correct name. All right, then I'll lock all. And guys, just add a few details and you are good to go. Just add a few details and you are good to go. So please subscribe to this channel, like and share. This is how I was able to achieve this beautiful flyer using the Pixellab. Yes, guys, I have told you that this 2025, we are not going to use our smartphones just to be making calls like that. We are going to use our smartphone to make huge money. We are going to use our phone to make huge money. And see, I have a lot of tutorials, line-up tutorials coming, whereby you can learn from. Yes, whereby you can learn a lot from. If you go here, you see The lineup tutorials are there, plenty. Yes, plenty. Some are on the other device whereby, yes, you did see them. See, this is what we just learned. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share and comment, and let me know how you think about this tutorial. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.